What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a really awesome package from Tristate-Motorsports. As you can see, part of the package, I got a new precision turbo. So many of you guys may be wondering which car this turbo is for. Many of you may be thinking that it's for the Evo. Maybe you're right, maybe you're wrong. Let's get started with this video so you guys can find out. So if your guess was for the Evo, you are, drumroll, wrong. You're wrong. So pretty much when the Evo blew up, I'm getting the motor built. As many of you guys seen in my last video, I took the motor to JBRE Engines. I'm actually teamed up with Manly Performance. We're gonna do some crazy internals. I'll go into more details with that in another video. Once I get that package, we'll do an unboxing. We'll head over to JBRE and get all of the new parts from Manly installed. So pretty much, we're fully building the motor, and then I came to think, why would I put a stock turbo on a fully built motor? Just makes no sense to me. I really don't want to go that route. So I know obviously the car will be a lot safer with the stock turbo, a lot more reliable because the motor's fully built and ready for tons of power when I'm going to be throwing just a little bit at it with whatever the factory turbo can produce. Then I got to thinking, I'm like, I might as well go ahead and upgrade the turbo since the motor is going to be fully built and ready for more power. Going back to the Civic now, I bought a Precision Turbo 6266 ball bearing turbo for the Civic, and the original plans of the Civic was honestly to be a street car slash track car, so I didn't want to go with a too big of a turbo where it's very laggy on the street and all of that. But as you all seen this build progress, this car is going to be a fully drag car. I went pretty crazy with the cage and everything else. I've got a new engine management system, which I'll be announcing too in another video. We're just fully sending it with the Civic, and I'm excited for those plans. But yeah, that's really why I didn't go with a bigger turbo. Many people have asked me, why would you choose a 6266 to drag race? It's kind of a smaller trim turbo and all of that. But again, the plan was never to really build the car what it is today. I'm glad that it is. I'm excited. I'm happy. I can't wait to continue to progress the build and have it finished and be on the track. But that's why I chose the 6266. But ever since this happened to the Evo, I thought about it and I spoke to my friends at Tristate-Motorsports, and they were able to give me some really good deals on some precision turbos. So I said, you know what? Let's go ahead and upgrade the Civic with a new precision turbo. We're gonna go bigger since the car is fully capable and ready for that power. And then we'll just throw the 6266 on the Evo. So there you have it. The 6266 precision turbo that's on the Civic right now is coming off, and we're gonna be putting a new 6870 precision ball bearing turbo. Now this is a big boy right here. I mean, see if I can grab it. This thing is humongous. I'm gonna compare it to the 6266. So we're actually getting ready to head to Jonah, my fabricator's shop. I'm gonna uninstall this 6266. We're gonna install this big boy, the 6870, and I'm gonna compare the two turbos. I can already tell it's gonna be a huge difference because I have the boxes right here. I'll show you guys what they look like. And I haven't even opened this one yet, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this because I really wanna just hold it and see how it looks and feels. That sounds weird. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this as well before we head over there because I really just want to get a peek at it and see how it looks. I'm just really excited. Can't wait to compare the two and just see the difference. So yeah, 6870 is the new plans for the Civic. I made this change just in time because he was just getting started on the cold side. So the cold side on the Civic is not done yet because he was waiting for my new turbo to come in. I should have the Civic completed and back in my hands within a week. So I'm so excited. Let's unbox these. I'll show you guys just how big of a difference this is just from looking at the boxes, and then we'll head to Jonah's shop. So here goes the box that my 6266 came in. As you can tell, this is just a huge difference. It's so crazy in size of how much bigger the 6870 is going to be. This one's projected for around 1,000 horsepower. The 6266 can produce up to 800. I don't want to make 800 on the Evo. Honestly, I wanted to keep it fun and reliable, so I am shooting for a safe number around 550 to 600 max. But we will tune it and we will try to get max power out of it just so we can see what this 6266 is capable of on a fully built motor with the GSC cams. And then we'll turn the boost down to a safe 550 to 600. Again, I don't want to start breaking more things on the Evo. Those cars are delicate, especially the transfer cases. So I want to play it safe and just have a fun, fast, reliable street car. We'll see how that turns out because you guys know how Evos are. But here we have the 6870. Let's go ahead and unbox it and take a look. All right, I am pretty excited for this. This thing is so big. That's what she said. I know somebody in the comments is gonna be like, that's what she said. But yeah, you guys will be the first to see this. All right, there we go. All right, so let's check this out. Got the standard paper here that comes with every turbo. We've got a precision sticker. Can't wait to put these on both of my cars. And are y'all ready for this? Whoa. This thing is big. Let's unwrap it so you guys can get a better view. I'm gonna put the camera down. This thing is so big I can't even do it with one hand. All right, guys, so here goes my new baby. Ugh. This thing is not a small baby. It is humongous. Look at that. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Here goes my new baby right here. Gosh, got the ball bearing. This is so nice, guys. I'm so happy. I can't wait to get to Jonah's shop and install this on the car and see how it looks compared to the 6.6. This looks so nice, guys. Got the back housing right here. So here goes the boxes just to compare the two. Here's the 6870 and here's the 6266. As you guys can see, this is a huge difference already. All right, guys, so I just wanted to unbox this here before we got there because I'm so excited. I had to see it. Let's head to Jonah's shop and get this new 6870 Precision Turbo installed and remove the 6266, and I'll bring it back with me. So when the Evo's motor is complete, we can get that one installed as well. Let's go. All right, guys, so we just got here. We're gonna go inside and compare these two turbos. I'm really curious to see how big of a difference it is. So I'm gonna remove the 6266 right now, and then we'll put on the 6870 and just see how bad the damage is. We're gonna go ahead and remove the exhaust side and then take these 4 bolts out, and then we'll go ahead and mock up the new turbo that we have right here. Ooh, we're gonna make some adjustments a little bit to get it to kind of fit the way this one is, but I'm pretty excited to see how it's gonna look. This is so big.
Yeah, it's a little bigger.
Just a little bit. So you can see it's just a tad bit bigger.
See that little lever, you just pull this up. But not until you loosen it.
Yeah, loosen this all the way and then pull that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll need to know how to do this for sure.
Yeah, you'll see. This will get loose, you'll see.
Exactly how my exhaust is.
There you go. That's it.
Got it.
Oh. So that's all. You can just leave it right there. Just pull the turbo and... Yeah, I'm not sure how I got to it. All right. I'm gonna throw them on the. Just throw them on this. So I'm gonna measure them up to see.
Hope the Evo is ready for this.
Flip it around so the. Yeah. Just hang the compressor off. I'm gonna line that up to there. I think we got lucky. I think the exhaust is gonna bolt right up. That's apples for apples. You got it?
Just go closer so you don't get our hand. Perfect. Alright guys, so here is the final look with the turbo mounted on. It doesn't even look that crazy, but as you see when it was compared to the 6266, it's a huge difference. I'm really excited. This looks so good. He's already getting this mocked up. I'm telling you, by the time I come back to film some more, this whole thing should be done. And I am doing a tubular front. I decided to do that, so next time we come, the frame will be cut. He already cut the bottom, as you can see. So he's gonna mount that to the traction bar, but all that's left is to cut the top. Got to create the headlight brackets, stuff like that, and then we just got to do the cold side, which is just the throttle body and then from the turbo. So we're looking pretty good here. Getting super close to getting done and coming home, which I'm really excited about. Can't wait. Even though when it gets home, next thing is to tear everything back apart. Motors are going to JBRE. I'm gonna do the PPG dog box, and then I'm also gonna have a strain gauge. Gonna make everything a lot more easier. So that is definitely going to be the most expensive part so far, besides the motor. But for the motor, I have most of the internals already. I have the Drag Cartel 2.2s with the SuperTech springs and retainers, so we should be good to go. I'm really excited and happy to see everything come back together. Can't wait to come back and this will already be mounted and we'll have the cold side done. So I'm just glad we got this mounted today, and we got lucky that everything bolts up directly. So the back housing is literally the same as the 6266, so I was really happy about that. We kind of had an idea that it was, but we weren't 100% sure, so today confirmed that. So hot side is still complete, don't have to do any adjustments there, which is really good. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the whole unboxing of the new 6870 Precision Turbo, and now you guys got to see it on the car. So soon this thing will be ripping down the track. I promise when it gets back in my hands, we are gonna attack it. I've got everything to get the car finished. I just need it out of fab first. So let's hope this gets done really soon, and we'll be one step closer to getting to the track. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.